Okay, so what we're going to do in this screencast is to test the device, the CTD device, and you do it on the same terms you do sampling. So if I sample using CTerm, CSave, sorry, I'll start CSave. Now that's the CSave, and I go to real-time data, start. What I usually do, since there is a lot of testing to do with before you start actually sampling, I begin archiving data when start archiving command is sent. Then you have to make sure that your output data file name is in the correct position and has the correct name. We actually have a naming script, you can see it on the blog. Okay, that's the CTD, and let's call it testing for blog. And then you have to make sure that you're using the correct XML conf file. That's actually what determines the accuracy of your sampling. So after I made sure that's the correct XML conf file, and this is one I just made, I switch on the CTD using the magnetic switch and I start. Okay, so you see I have communication. The next thing, I have to test the device. What I'll do in a moment, I'll just blow into the device pump and see that the temperature changes. So you can see we're up to 29 degrees, and we'll now gradually go down to 28 again. And the other thing is, I want to test the external sensors, which are usually optical sensors. So I just put my hand in front of them, and you can see that the turbidity is now unbelievable. And as I take off my hand, it drops back down. These are the sensors I have currently mounted on my device, and that's just what I do, and we're actually done with this task. Bye.